go. All right, I gotta keep those babies up. All right, torque flight 727. Seems to be shifting really, really nice. Those Black Widow mufflers on this car really sound good. Yeah. All right, gauges seem to be all working really, really nice. Check those blinkers out. Left side, right side. Like I said, the car drives straight, but the steering wheel is just a little bit off. Hoping that it's just the alignment. Brakes are just a tad bit spongy. I mean, this is a big car, but we'll see if we can get these brakes bled. I forget that in these cars you really don't have any headrest, so you got a decent amount of torque in this bad boy, and it is really, really comfortable in these seats. Had some storage here, the center console, get your phone and whatnot in there. I don't believe any of the air works. They are a little tough to push, but who needs air conditioning when you got your manual air conditioning windows right here? Lock these babies back in. Let's see if we can catch up to one of these cars with this 440 and take these turns. Now it does have a little bit of body roll, but I will tell you, it doesn't have any twisting. You can feel that going through. Really nice and tight. I do like that. Got a good view in here. I mean, we got plenty of space for everybody in this car. Bring your buddies, hang out, put your hand out the window, enjoy the ride, get some beautiful weather. I do wish there was a radio in this car. The vents are a little bit broken. Got these babies on order already, but a radio would be real nice. I mean, the car sounds good. Not too much noise. We'll roll up this window. Not too much noise on the inside. Sounds pretty good. Try these brakes out again. Wow. All right, so the brakes work pretty good. It seems like some sort of vacuum. Might have a vacuum leak up front, but we're gonna go through this car top to bottom, in and out. Take a look at everything. Now guys, keep in mind this is a coming soon video. We still need to go through all the imperfections on this vehicle. Probably gonna take around 4 to 6 weeks to get completed, but I will tell you it will be worth the wait. In the meantime, if you guys have any questions on how to get this car or need any more information about it, feel free to give me a call at 1-800-562-7815, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And guys, I'm Chris Mazzarella, and you've been watching No Reserve Classics. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to give me a call, Chris, at 1-800-562-7815. And if you guys haven't done it already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because you never know, your dream ride could be in the next video.